Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to Raghav Mapped e-learning. In today's video, I am going to explain about projections in 3D geometry. See, first we are going to discuss about projection of AB on a line L whose DCs are L, M and N. See here, I am taking this is the given line capital L and DCs are L, M and N. And this is point A and it is the point B. A x1, y1, z1, B x2, y2, z2. So you have to find projection of AB on to the line capital L. So to get projection of AB onto the line capital L, we have to draw perpendiculars from A and B to the given line L. So here this is the perpendicular from A to L and this is one perpendicular. So the foot of perpendicular C and D. So this is called projection. So projection is what? CD. Okay. Suppose I am taking angle between the line capital L and the line AB is theta. So here I have taken one perpendicular from A to the line BD. So here that is AE. Okay. So this angle is theta. So it is also theta. Now we have to find CD. That CD is equal to what? AE. So we have to find projection CD that is also equal to what? AE. So our target is that AE. See here, from right angle triangle ABE, cos theta is equal to AE by AB. Here we want that AE, so AE equal to AB cos theta. Here we have taken that AB length, that is what? Small r. So it is simply r cos theta. So here AE is equal to r cos theta. Okay. Theta is angle between the two lines. So we have a formula for angle between two lines in 3D geometry, that is cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. So here L1 M1 N1 DCs of one line and L2 M2 N2 are DCs of the other line. So here DCs of AB, we take them as L1, M1 and N1. So that is, you know that x2 minus x1 by AB. What is AB? R. y2 minus y1 by R. z2 minus z1 by R. And here DCs of CD. So DCs of CD, those are L, M and N. We have taken that is L2, M2, N2. Okay, na? So L2, M2, N2 or what? L, M, N. Now you take that cos theta. So that will be what? L into x2 minus x1 by R plus M into y2 minus y1 by R plus N into z2 minus z1 by R. So from this you can write r cos theta equal to L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1. See, what is r cos theta? That is what? AE. What is AE here? That is CD. So we got that CD, that is projection of AB onto the line capital L. That projection is what? So CD is equal to L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. See, so projection of AB onto the line capital L is L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. Suppose we are interested in finding projection of AB on xyz axis. So projection of AB on x-axis. Here projection of AB on line capital L. We have taken LMNR D6 of this line. Now we are finding projection of AB on x-axis. So what are DCs of x-axis? What are DCs of x-axis? 1 comma 0 comma 0. So L M N. Put LMN values in this. Then we left with what? 1 into x2 minus x1. This becomes 0. This is 0. So totally what you get? That is x2 minus x1. Similarly, DCs of y-axis, that will be 0 1 0. Is it? So DCs of y-axis 0 1 0. So in place of LMN you take 0 1 0. Then you left with y2 minus y1. And DCs of z-axis, you know DCs of z-axis, those are 0 0 1. Then you left with z2 minus z1. And you remember these two results regarding to this concept, that is, if d1 d2 d3 are projections of AB on xyz axis, then the length AB is square root of d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square. You know that d1 d2 d3 are projections of AB on xyz axis, means the projection of AB on x-axis, you know, that is x2 minus x1. Projection of AB on y-axis, y2 minus y1. Projection of AB on z-axis, z2 minus z1. So it is d1, this is d2, it is d3, is it? Now they are asking what is the length AB. What is it? Root over that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So it is what? Root over d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square. Coming to second one, d1 d2 d3 are projections of AB on xyz axis. Then DCs of the line AB are, see here, what are projections here? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. You know that x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 are DRs, is it? You know DRs of AB. So these three are here DRs of AB. So if DRs given, how to find DCs, you know, that is, we divide with square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So here that is square root of d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square. So I have taken the DCs d1 by root over d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square and this and this. So by giving projections on xyz axis, one can question you, what is the length of the line segment, or what are DCs of that line? See, coming to this example, if 2 comma 3 comma 4 are projections of AB on x comma y comma z axis, then what is length of AB, what are DCs of AB, and what is the vector along AB? So already we know that if d1 d2 d3 are projections of AB on xyz axis, then the length AB is square root of d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square, is it? So here that length AB, that is root over 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, is it? So it is root over 29. And next one they are asking DCs. So you know that DCs what? 2 by, we divide with root a square plus b square plus c square, that is root 29. So 2 by root 29, 3 by root 29 and 4 by root 29. Okay. And coming to third one, What they are asking? Vector along AB. Is it? We know one thing, that is DRs always represent a vector along the line. So here projections means here what we got? X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1 and Z2 minus Z1. Here it is what? D1, this is D2 and it is D3. We know about X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1. Are they DRs of line AB? Yes. So we know that DRs always represent a vector along the line. So here the vector along the line is what? X2 minus X1 into I cap, that is D1 into I cap. What is that? 2. So 2 I cap plus 3 J cap plus 4 K cap. My dear students, hope you all understood these concepts. Once again, you do the practice. Just you pick some questions from your textbooks or class notes or any reference books and you try to answer the questions related to projections of a line onto a plane. Hope you enjoy the learning. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get new notifications.